Let's talk about money. Money is the result of a product or service rendered. To make money, one provides value to the end user. Value is provided by offering a benefit to another human being. And it follows that the more value that one provides, the more money is made. Zig Ziglar probably said it best when he said, "You can get everything you want if you help enough other people get what they want." There are basically three kinds of income. First, and probably most recognized, is earned income, where you exchange your time for money as an employee. A second type of income is passive income, or is also known as residual income. This income is created by owning a system that creates the income. The reason this is called passive income is that the income comes to you passively by owning an asset. With this type of income, you are leveraging your time by multiplying your efforts through others or through an asset that you own. The third type of income is portfolio income, where your money makes you money. This income is derived by owning an asset like stocks, bonds, commodities, and so on. Through these types of investments, you normally gain income through dividends, capital gains, or appreciation. I've found a way to leverage the two most powerful methods of earning money, utilizing passive income and portfolio income. Here's how. Having an asset-based product that everyone is familiar with and utilizing a unique marketing system to provide both residual income growth and long-term gains with the asset-based commodity. If you'd like to learn more, go to www.gpphome.com or simply click on the link that will appear here or nearby. It's your future. Don't waste it.